Ask me what I fear, it's pretty fucking clear. Blank face, nothing's there, cause there's nothing fucking there. Unfazed, no praise these days in a haze, cause we all addicted to the fucking craze. Sahara Desert. Are we sure this isn't a robot that's playing? Is this AI? Is this AI generated drumming? This can't be real. There's no way this can be real. My drumsticks don't even match. Guys.
I got no patience and I hate waiting. Mommy, get your ass in here, let's ride. I got no patience and I hate waiting. Mommy, get your ass in here, let's ride.
A bird just flew into my house. We're gonna see if we can help it find the door. You okay, baby? Don't hurt yourself. Come on. Come on, baby. I don't want to go up to him and terrify him and then hurt himself. And we also have a kitty right here, but he is not very aggressive. Let's see if I'll stand back.
Stop moving. Dude, you had anything to smoke tonight?
No. I smoked a joint like 3 days ago.
Everybody in the area.